Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to add a new page to your Notion workspace. Every new page that you create is a blank canvas, where you can add whatever content you like, from plain text and images, to-do lists, to powerful databases. All pages in your workspace live in the left-hand sidebar. To create a new page, click the New Page button at the bottom left of your Notion window. You'll see a menu of page types. You can click on them to turn your empty page into a table, or a board for instance. Let's keep it simple for now and select Empty Page. Let's give our new page a title and some content to get started. To see a list of the different types of content you can add to your page, just type /. This will pull up the / command menu with all of the available content types. Finally, let's add a memorable icon to our page to make it easier to find later. Well done! You're ready to turn this page into whatever you like.